just like that, we done, man. Brand new shiny. Gonna put the wide angle on. See the metallic flakes too. Sheesh. Man, what's this? Get away from my car, man. Get away. Oof. I feel like I walk out of a brand new car every time. $20 for a brand new car. Sheesh. Shiny. All right, time for the POV. All right, guys, welcome back to another point of view drive, man. And today I'm answering the question of what's it like to finally have the ZL1. Just give me a second while I merge out of this traffic, man. So I made a community post asking you guys to place some questions for me, and I've been answering your questions in dedicated videos rather than just like a full Q&A. So if you guys want your question answered in a dedicated video like this one, just feel free to go to the community tab on my YouTube channel and, you know, post your question. There's a post with a picture of my car where I ask the question. You'll see it as soon as you go there. You know, just post your question. But today, I'm answering the question for the one of you guys had, and the question was, what's it like to finally have the ZL1? So, it's been 7 months since I had this car so far, right? And I wouldn't have probably answered that question if it was a little bit earlier, you know, in the time of owning it. But you know, so I feel like 7 months is a good time to give an answer for this. So, the ZL1, I'll tell you guys, it's two sides to it, right? At least for me. So, the two sides are good and bad. And the good side, or you know what? Let's start with the bad side first. The bad side is, it feels like a burden, right? And I don't mean financially. Most of my audience, I know you guys like Camaros, right? So what if something happens, right, where I have to get another car? You know, what if I decide, all right, maybe I am going to get a Hellcat or something, right? No, I wouldn't do that. But let's just say, what if, man? Then I keep thinking, like, what would happen to you guys? You know, what would happen to my audience? You know, would they be interested in the Hellcat? I might suddenly lose half my subscribers. I don't know. It's just these kind of things I think about. But being one of the few YouTubers with this, you know, these are the kind of things I think about. So when I talk about feeling like there's a burden with this car, you know, that's what I mean, guys. I feel like, you know, I have to be the one to represent this car right now. You know what I'm saying? Or one of the few to keep representing the ZL1. And I'm happy to do that. I mean, it's my favorite car by far. But I'm just like, you know, what if, you know? But anyways, that's it for the bad. Now, the good. Hey, yes, sir. Okay, so that's part of the good. But the good. So the way this car feels, man, I swear it still feels unbelievable that I have this. You know, I remember, I don't know if you guys remember that video where I drove the ZL1 for the first time. Not this ZL1, but the custom ZL1. I think the video was titled like 1,000 horsepower Camaro ZL1. If you guys haven't checked that out. But a buddy of mine had that car, and I remember seeing that car, man, and I'm just like, bro, I was drooling, breaking my neck, drooling, all bent sideways looking at that car, man. And, you know, when he hit me up about my channel and something I was promoting, you know, I was surprised. You know, so when he gave me the opportunity to drive the ZL1, I was just like, man, this is like a dream come true, man. And I'm never gonna get a ZL1 anytime soon, but you know, let me just enjoy the moment. And it was a manual too, and I enjoyed it. But anyway, so finally getting my own now. First off, I'm like, bro, there ain't no way. So I remember the video where I was at the dealership, man, and I'm just sitting here thinking, I have it on video too, but I was just sitting there thinking, man, what is the sirens, bro? Shit, you're probably looking for me after what I just did. Oops. All right, so anyway, like I was saying, man, when I was finally at the dealership, guys, waiting for the ZL1 approval, it was just like, I had no hopes of getting this car. I swear to God. Like, I was just like, this is not happening. You know, I'm just making myself get excited for no reason. You know, let me just keep my hopes down. You know, and then when the salesperson came out finally and said, you know, it was approved, I was just like, bro, ain't no fucking way, bro. They know they pranking me. You know, and you know, I drove it off the lot, you know, woke up the next day, drove it a few more times, and I'm still, this motherfucker, man, dumb shit. At least go fast if you're gonna do that, man. Anyway, man, so I remember, like, you know, a few days after, you know, I'm making my YouTube videos, I'm shaking like, damn, bro, this ain't real. And, but yeah, it was, it took me a few months to finally wake up and realize that, yeah, this shit is real. It's here. And another thing too, the way this car feels, bro, I feel like, I think I've mentioned this a few times in a lot of videos before, so I don't want to be repetitive, but it feels like I reached the end game with this car, bro. This car just feels premium. Right, first off, once you sit in this car, you can feel this car is different from any other Camaro ever. Main thing you feel is the Alcantara. Like, this Alcantara makes it feel like, let me tell you, right, I've never driven a McLaren, Lamborghini, or any of the supercars, right? But I feel like I'm in one of those cars. Strange enough to say, I don't know what they feel like, but it makes me feel like I'm in a supercar. Like, just the material and the way the Alcantara feels, you know? You know, I can't stop staring at this car. Like, it's, bro, I'll be lying if I said I wasn't obsessed with this car. I'm obsessed with this car, and I'm free to say it. You know, I ain't scared to say I'm obsessed with a car. Yeah, it's materialistic, but goddamn, that materialistic shit sure makes me fucking happy. You know what I'm saying? And you know, some people would be like, you know, afraid to say something like that, but I'm not, bro. I mean, it is what it is. Everybody got what makes them happy, and this is mine. You know, no, I'm not saying it fixes every problem. Having this fixes all my problems, you know. Sometimes some shit gets me down, and, you know, no amount of money, you know, no ZL1 can fix it, you know. And normally what I do, guys, with this car is, I drive, right? Even in my SS, it was the same, right? But I take a drive in this car anytime I'm feeling stressed, and usually, bro, whatever I'm thinking about, it just goes away. You know, that's not what it is normally, except for, you know, one or two occasions where it's not the case. But yeah, this car, bro, it's, and everybody be looking, oh, it's a state trooper. That's another thing too, bro. I feel like every police officer is gonna pull me over in this car. Like, I'm telling man, he look like he chilling. But yeah, why is there so much traffic, bro? It's not even rush hour right now. That's crazy. But yeah, everybody be looking at this car, guys. I've also said this before as well, but compared to the SS, bro, like, this car is a night and day difference in attention, in looks, in feels, bro. Like, jeez. Some people say, like, okay, you can supercharge an SS and it's the same thing. I'm telling you, no, it is not the same thing, bro. Like, I'm not even like a big car geek, I would say. I mean, I love cars and stuff, but I'm not like a big, not too technical on them, right? You know, so I don't build cars and stuff, but a lot of people will tell you, like, just the whole platform is better for building. You know, I will never experience that myself, but it's just so many things, bro. Like, you have a stronger engine, you have a supercharger with a warranty. Like, bro, this thing is just like, I don't know, everybody gotta drive a ZL1. And I have nothing good, I have nothing but good to say about this car, man. I haven't found anything I can say I dislike. You know, I don't want to go into the common stuff like, oh, well, it's small in here. You know, everybody knows that about the Camaro. That's a fact. It is what it is. You know, I can fit comfortably. I've shown you guys that in a video. For me to try and find something bad to say about this car, bro, I would be trolling. I swear to God, I'll be trolling if I say something bad about this car. As a matter of fact, I'm actually gonna make a trolling video. I'll do that just for the attention. Fuck it. I'm actually gonna make a trolling video talking about 5 things I hate, and it's gonna be like some stupid stuff. Watch. So the people that not watching this video right now, you know, when they see that video, they're gonna be a little bit mad, thinking I'm serious. So before I go, guys, I just want to say, for any of you who are local, and local I mean like in the Fort Lauderdale or Broward County, West Palm Beach, Miami areas down here in Florida, if you are down here and you have not driven a ZL1, bro, hit me up. I'll let you drive this car. You know, straight up, I'll let you drive this car. Of course, I'm going to be a little bit cautious with it because, you know, some people drive this car and they're very responsible, but I've had some people that drive this and, you know, they went a little bit crazy, and now I'm being extra cautious now. I don't know about the age limit yet or anything like that, but some things I'm looking for, at least be a responsible driver, bro. You know, I'm gonna try to not restrict it by age, you know, because I've met some people who are super young and they're very responsible to drive in. But you know, that also, you have to agree to be on camera, you know, as part of the experience. Like, I can't just have like people driving around in my ZL1. You guys know how crazy the gas is, first off. So, you know, as much as I want to just do it on and off camera, I'm sorry, I gotta get a return back from this car. I'm just being real and straight up. If you want to drive this car, you have to be comfortable on camera so I can get a reaction and POV or something. If you're not comfortable with that, I'm sorry. I can't do it, bro. Like, maybe when I get rich or something off YouTube, but that's the requirements, bro. Be responsible and be comfortable being on camera. And of course, have a valid license, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't be hitting me up and you have a permit, or, well, actually, you know, a permit is fine. As long as you're with somebody, that's fine. But yeah, bro. Yeah, hit me up, guys. The best place to contact me is Instagram DMs. That is the best place. I'm also on Facebook too, guys. So actually, yeah, Facebook or Instagram. Feel free to DM me on there. My name is the same on both platforms, Nigel D Realist. So yeah, but that's going to be the end of this video, guys. For the person who asked this question, what's it like to finally drive a ZL1? I really hope I answered your question well. You know, and yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in, man. See you in the next one.